All right, today I'm going to show you how to boom a flash over your backdrop to color your backdrop. I'm using a Westcott FJ250 with one of their pink FlexiGels. We'll use a 3-light setup. You've got the rim in the back and a gridded key light in the front to get shots just like these. All right, guys, for this setup, I'm using Westcott FJ400 for the key light and two FJ250, both version 2s, the newest ones. For the background light, I've got this FJ250 boomed on a C-stand, and I've got the pink gel in it, and it is sort of feathered downward. I don't have it pointing right at it because you can get a hot spot. So I sort of feather it downward and I get more of an even, it's still a gradient, but it's a better, you avoid that hot spot, right? But do it to taste however you like. If you want to glow in the middle, point it towards the middle, and you'll get a glow. It just depends on what you want, okay? For the rim light, I've just got this one over here, and this was just to add a little highlight on her arm and her hair. And then for the key light, I've got this FJ400, and it is in a glow 48-inch softbox, and I do have it gridded. And when I place the model, you might get a little bit of pink on the model because this light is bouncing off the background, but I usually pull the model as far as I can off the backdrop, and then I will feather this light. You don't have to have a grid, but you do want to feather your softbox away from the background so you don't, what is this white light? So you don't dilute the pink light that I'm going to use on the background. So if you mix this white light and you point it at the backdrop where your pink light is hitting, your pink is going to get drowned out, okay? And that's all there is to it, 3-light setup. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like this video, give it a like. It really does help the video to get seen by people other than you and I. So comment if you've got a comment, subscribe if you want to see more. Let's go. So you can see I'm doing a pink background against the gray. So I like that. This is just with the pink on the background and a little bit of hair light. Light in the hair. So let's turn this one on, and I'm gonna leave the grid on it because I don't want, this is just plain old white light, Yeah. And if I point it this way, what do you think it's going to do to that pink when it blends the white light with the pink light?
Makes a lighter color?
Yeah, it's not going to be as pink, right? So it's still not bad though, but it washes out the pink a little bit.
Yeah.
So let's bring this here, and I'm going to bring it back. And so now I've got that sort of feathered away from the backdrop, and we get a much more saturated. I'm going to lean it in towards her a little bit more. Good. Still getting full length. Do maybe, I don't know, I was just thinking something kind of from the side, and you're pulling this up and just kind of like this, and maybe putting it up here, I don't know if you can get the bottom, if it will pull. Yeah, there you go. Good. About to slip on my paper over here, coming in real tight. And a little smile, a little sparkle in the eyes, yes. Let's put you to work.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
And we're gonna have you pop it. Okay. So you're gonna come back there and you're just gonna pop it up in the air. And the key is for you to pop it up in the air and then back out like this. Okay, you gotta back out of the shot. All right, ready to go. Now, same thing. Okay. And I want you to, this leg, kind of do that for me. Yeah. Yes, and I want your hands to kind of, yes.
Okay, smiling
all right.
Serious.
Let's do both. Let's do
Okay.
smiling because you're having fun, right?
Yeah.
And then we can try a serious one. Ready, go. And even when I do ready, go, instead of just being locked in a pose, maybe actually do the motion.
do it.
Yeah,
Okay.
do the motion.
Got it.
And then keep smiling.
Okay.
All right, ready, go. So there's the before with everybody in the shot, and then boom, it just fixes it for you.
Yeah.
All I gotta do is crop it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing.